Welcome back to the channel. New day on the Land Cruiser. Aerial snow tires. Oh, it's a mess. We got a lot of stuff we have to clean up. But today, I want to take the grill off, the fenders off, and the hood off because I realized that installing that power steering pump would have been a whole lot easier if I just removed it because I have to take it off anyway. So let's just take it off now. And then I can work on the whole thing without obstruction. So that's the goal. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start with the hood. Easiest one. Gonna use my driver, take that out, and see if we can put it off to the side somewhere. I don't know. And the hood's off. Look at that. There it is. This might be a project for Ariel to prep it for paint and paint it. Probably just gonna use rattle cans. They're cheap, they're efficient, they look good, arguably look good. This is just to keep it somewhat presentable. Doesn't need to be showroom quality. So I don't know what color. Let me know what color you guys want me to paint this thing because sky's the limit. I'm thinking that royal blue, dark blue. There's a Petrolicious episode with a blue Land Cruiser that I really liked. It had dark blue with the white top, so that might be what we do. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna take off the iconic grill. First off, it's upside down, so that needs to be changed. And also needs to be painted white. Okay, there's a little bit of damage right there, but overall, in decent shape. So I'll probably have to bust out the TIG welder to fix that, put it on a super low setting, and just fill it in and grind it down. But that's not for today. And if anybody knows like reproduction stuff for the grill and things like that, the headlight bezel, feel free to post in the comments. I'd love to, you know, do some newer stuff on this, but you know, if I can restore stuff and save some money, that's also good too. I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
It looks like we are ready to take the grill off completely. So, Ariel. Out. There you go. Okay. Alright. And look at all that space. Time to take off the side pieces. So how are they attached? I don't know. So we're gonna find out. Okay, so it looks like, try not to break things. Can you put that over there? Take off this wire. I got a bolt right there and there. And then the whole fender should be supported as well by those 4 bolts. So that's what we're going to tackle right now. Okay, so the first one just broke. Let's see about the rest. That one also broke.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Broken.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Okay, the fender's off. I forgot to hit record. Look at all that space we have. 6 of the 7 bolts broke trying to get it off, so that's great. All 4 of these. That one, this one, this one, and this is the only one that came out fine. Alright, on to the next one.
Baby, you give me fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Okay, yep. Up. There we go. Okay. And you're good. Alright. Fenders are out. Good job, Earl.
Should I put it?
Just put on the ground anywhere. Woo! Cool. So that's the original color. This tan. Still need some decisions on what color we want to paint this thing, but look at all that space now. Get to work on the engine compartment and steering column. So that'll be coming up. That's it for this one. Remember to like and subscribe, and check out my website in the link below, because that's the best way you can support this channel. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.